looking for a decent car with decent specs and a decent fuel economy, you have found the perfect pick. This Seat Leon from 2017 has an FR package, which is awesome. You have FR branding all over the car. The 1.4 turbo engine is quite snappy, I would say. 150 horsepower combined with a dual clutch transmission makes this car accelerate in 8.2 seconds. In terms of features, the unit that I'm driving has everything that you need except navigation. Heated seats, climate control, a sport FR package, a flat bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, an excellent sound system, Bluetooth, sport seats, and pretty much anything you need. At 22,000 euros, I would say that it's a little bit pricey. If you want a little bit more out of this car, you would probably need a 1.8 turbo with 180 horsepower. But if you just want a brand new car with features, a sporty look, and you care about fuel economy, then the 1.4 turbo is just fine. I absolutely love the cylinder on demand feature from Volkswagen Group. When you're cruising, if you don't need that much power, the engine deactivates 2 cylinders and fuel economy goes down. In terms of space, it's not spectacular, but for a small family, a couple, or a single person, it's more than enough. Overall, the car is agile, steering is responsive, and the entire car is pretty much sport-oriented. Not extremely sport like the Cupra model, but quite sporty. Now, what I love the most about this car, these mirrors look awesome. Now, what I don't like about this car, it has a ton of plastic, and for the price that you pay, I was expecting to see a few premium details. But they're missing entirely. Plastic, plastic, plastic. The DCT is also annoying sometimes. It's fast, it's brand new, but sometimes it feels like it doesn't know what to do. It has lag, especially in first and second gears. Except that I really enjoy driving this car. Special thanks to the owner for letting me drive this car. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.